Kublai pi Baroh kini longi kubor bam takasni. Menteri Rang ba kejala Meghalaya Konrad ke Sangma ula pentip ba kejinyalang plenary jong North Eastern Council NEC kanong Shillong la shai kasni bad onya dan lang hakani kejinyalang menteri ke sarkar pedang badai pet ya kadona Jyotiraditya Skindia ki menteri Rang ba kilat jong Baroh kejala ka than chatilam mingi. Abakran shikilat pathai kubor ukon rat ulang bakani kejinyalang kanlong ka bakong sanba namar onya kren halor bun ki kam ki bede bakaroi ka par jong kathan barkajinya lang hapdeng ki jilla.
No, there's no, it's for NEC meeting, as you're aware that this is a annual affair. And so this is the chairman, our Honorable Home Minister, will be arriving today evening. He'll be landing in Shillong airport at about 9 o'clock in the evening. And tomorrow is the main plenary session. And of course, all the chief ministers of Northeast, all the governors of Northeast are in Shillong. And I'm sure we'll have a lot of constructive meeting. We have always discussed many things. Our Honorable Donor Minister has been very, very proactive. I expect that we will be having a large, kind of consultation and participation regarding major sectors. Honorable Donor Minister had put up a task force for different sectors for the Northeast, where he wanted different states to work together. For example, a task force for tourism was set up, a task force for youth was set up, a task force for trade was set up, a task force for infrastructural development, where one chief minister chaired the task force with 4 or 5 other chief ministers being members in that committee. So I chaired the task force for tourism. And we'll be presenting that tomorrow. And we'll be talking about how the Northeast as a whole can represent itself as a destination or as a potential market for tourism, not just the states on their own, but the region as a whole. So these kind of discussions I expect will be primarily the main focus tomorrow, and to actually see on how the reports of the different task forces will be implemented in the days to come. Apart from that, of course, there'll be other issues also which Honorable Home Minister and Honorable Donor Minister will bring up, and that will come to know tomorrow. So that's basically it. And as I said, beyond that also, Mr. JP Nadda is coming very soon on the 5th to Meghalaya. So that will also be very important. So then we'll have our Honorable Finance Minister also. She'll be coming in the next 10 days to Shillong. So that is also very important for us. And we'll be having the Niti Aayog meeting, where Honorable Prime Minister will be chairing the meeting for all the chief ministers of the country, which will be held on the 11th of June. So I'll be going for that meeting also.